Okay, this one we're going to solve for x. We have an open bracket 2x plus 1 close bracket open bracket x minus 3 close bracket equals to 0. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to go straight and equate this x. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. So imagine that you're given a trinomial, okay, where x squared plus 2x plus 1. What you're going to do, usually you're going to open two brackets, right, and put your x here. Try to find the values of two values that can give you this number and this one, right? So this is a stage. They will give they solved it from this trinomial, and you're here now. So what you're gonna do, just gonna say 2x is equals to minus 1 divided by 2, x is equals to minus half, or x is equals to 3. Okay, take this to the other side, it changes the sign, it becomes positive. So for x, our question is 3 to the power x is equals to 1. So what we want to make the bases the same, okay? So we know that anything to the power 0, so x to the power 0 is equals to 1. So here we're just going to substitute as 3. So we're going to have 3 to the power 0 because it's going to give us 1, okay? So since the bases are the same, therefore x is equals to 0. We drop the exponents. Okay, this is an inequality question. The one has to solve for x. Okay, so how can you do this? We are going to separate them. Okay, so first let me just draw this line. So we're going to have 4 is less than equal to 3x minus 1, and then we also have 3x minus 1 is less than equal to 5. Okay, so let's start the side. We're going to take the one to the other side. Okay, so we're going to have minus 4 plus 1. The 1 changes the sign, become it cross this line, and then we're going to have minus 3. Okay, and then we divide both sides by 3 minus 1. Okay, that's the first answer. Then this side, we're going to take the one to the other side. All right, and then changes the sign. Then we have 3x. Then we divide both sides by 3. Then x is less than equal to 2. So we can still combine this like this. Minus 1, 2. But they want us to represent this on a number line. Okay, so we're gonna draw a line here and then put our numbers. Here is a minus 1, here is the 2. Okay, so the first one is here, the second one is here, and then we do like this. Because there's an equal sign, we're gonna shade both of them, right? There's equal sign on the both of them. One, let's solve for x. Okay, so we have 9 to the power 2x plus 3 is equals to 27 to the power x plus 5. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to make the bases the same. All right, 9 can also be written as 3 to the power 2. 27 can also be written as 3 to the power 3. Okay, so we're going to multiply, multiply the exponents. We're going to have 2, we're going to have 4x. 2 times 2, x is 4x plus 6, okay, which is equals to 3. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 5 is 15, okay. Since the bases are the same, we can drop the exponents, okay. Plus 6 is equals to 3x plus 5, all right. So we're going to take the 3x to the other side and the 6 to the other side, okay. Oh, this is 15. Okay, so here we want to have 4x minus 3x is equals to 15 minus 6. Okay, so here we're gonna be left with x, and here we're gonna have left with 9. Okay guys, this one they want us to solve for x and y. All right, so what we're gonna do, we can use two methods. Okay, we can use the elimination method or the substitute method, but we're gonna use the substitute method. What we're gonna do, we're gonna choose one equation and make one the substitute the formula. So let's choose equation 2. Okay, from equation 2. All right, we want to make x the substitute formula. So 12 so x is equal to 12 minus 2y. Okay, take the negative to the positive to the other side, changes the sign. Right, so we make this one equation 3. Okay, so we want to substitute equation 3 into equation 1. All right, so where there's x in equation 1, we're going to put this equation. So equation 1 is 2x minus y is equals to minus 1, right? So we're going to say 12 minus 2y minus y is equals to minus 1, right? So we're going to have 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 2 is minus 4y, and then it's equals to 1. So we're going to take the okay, let's just do like this. So we're gonna have 5y is equals to 1. Okay, so we're gonna take the minus after the other side, the 1 to the side. They both change sides, okay, because they are crossing equation equal sign. So we're gonna have 525 and then divide by 5. Then we're gonna have y is equals to 5. All right, so right now we only have our y. So let's go back to our equation from equation 3. Okay, because we've already made the exercise to the formula, right? So from equation 3, which is x is equals to 12 minus 2y. All right, we're going to substitute the 5. Okay, where there's y, x is equals to 12 minus 2 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Then our x is equals to 2.